Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Jisulife Neck Fan Pro 3. Inside it comes with the user manual and the charging cables. You have a USB-A to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-C. So you have some options. The Neck Fan Pro 3 features a variable speed and it has an ergonomic design and it's comfortable to wear. It also has fast charging. It comes with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, lithium ion, weighs about 410 grams. Charging time is anywhere from 1.5 to 3 hours, and the operating time can range from 2 to 12 hours depending on the speed. It has overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, over voltage, locked rotor protection, and battery protection. And it also has a negative ion purify option. The neck fan comes in two color options. It comes in a silver, which I have, and it also comes in a pale gold. So you can see here on the left side, you have the branding and you have the silver chrome accenting all around. You also have the variable speed dial here and then the power button. And then on the other side, you have the button for the ion purifier. You can also see that it is adjustable, so it can accommodate various neck sizes. And then on the back here, you have the left and right indicator. When it comes to the airflow, you have it on the left and the right side, and also in the back. And you can see the air vents for the airflow. Turning on the neck fan is simple. Just press the power button once, and then you can see the battery status level. And then it will switch over to the current speed setting. So you can turn the knob and you can see here increasing 20, 30, all the way up to 100 for the speed. So you can hear the air at 100 and lower it down. It's about 20%. Taking a look at the weight, it comes in at roughly 428 grams. So I'm just going to do a quick test here and measure the sound level with my meter here. Let's turn it on. Let's start it off at about 10, at level 10. So level 10, we're hitting about 54 decibels. Okay, I have it set at level 30 now. About 55 decibels at level 30. So now at level 50, about 58 decibels. Now I have it at the level 75. About 61 decibels. And now this is full power, level 100. About 69 decibels. All right, so now I have the neck fan on. It's about 85 degrees right now. I have it in the low setting and you can feel the airflow. Again, this has the two sides and the back when it comes to the airflow. Now adjusting the fan and turning it on and off, it's fairly easy to reach it on the left side here. Just one tap of the power button and then powers up, and then you can increase the speed by scrolling on the wheel. So right now, this is the high setting, and then I'm going to scroll to the low. Yeah, you can barely hear the low setting. You also have the LCD display, and it tells the percentage of the power. So whether you're using it at 0 all the way up to 100% for the airflow. So now I have it on the high setting. It's a little bit loud, but it's not too distracting. You can still hear your surroundings. I'm not sure if the microphone can pick it up, but yeah, this is on the high setting, and it's really cooling me off right now. So I think this is a versatile neck fan. You can use it for multiple purposes. In the US right now, we're experiencing very hot weather across the country. So if you just want something to help cool you off outdoors while you're doing your activities or indoors, I think this will definitely do the trick. So that's my review of the Jisulife Neck Fan Pro 3. I left a link in the description box below if you're interested, so go ahead and check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.